channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to revamp your old t-shirt into new trendy pieces. So you don't need any stitching machine for this. You only need scissor and glue, and that's it. So if you guys are interested in it, then please keep on watching. First, I'm revamping this black polka dotted t-shirt into cold shoulder top. First, cut the neckline on the both sides like I'm doing here. Here I'm cutting 10 centimeters on both the sides. You can cut according to your preference. Now turn your shirt inside out. Now glue all the cutted edges with the fabric glue. Gluing the edges will give us neat and new looking finish. Allow the glue to dry, and this is how it's looking. Next, I revamped this black plain t-shirt into trendy bralette kind of shirt. To do this, take out the straps from your old camisole. I'm cutting both the straps from my old black camisole here. You can even use elastic straps. Now position these straps and see where you want to place it. I am positioning and making crisscross here. Now I am turning my shirt inside out and attaching the strap ends. Cut the excess strap and glue the ends with the fabric glue. Allow the glue to dry. And this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.